This pivot sprinkler package wasn't set up right from the start, and on top of that, the old sprinklers have gone bad. Today, I'm climbing the first tower and swapping everything out to get better coverage. When a sprinkler package is designed wrong, you can have too much or too little overlap. And that's what we're seeing here. And now that the sprinklers are about worn out, it's getting even worse. The fix requires top mounted sprinklers on the first tower, and so they're not as easy to put on. So I got my sprinkler chart and my sprinklers in my backpack here. I'm gonna strap up and climb up on top of this pivot. All right, this is round two. Crawling on the pivot was not working. I think you guys could see that. So now I am going to use a ladder and try to get the rest of these on. I'm just gonna get the sprinklers on because I need to change water here pretty quickly. So if the drop is in the way, luckily these nozzles that are here, I can just turn them off. And that's what I'll do. I'll just turn the nozzle off and move on with life and just get these sprinklers where they need to go and turn all these off. If they're in the way, I'll take them off, obviously, but that's what my plan to do is we'll get this first tower done and then we'll start working on the rest of it. All right, the first tower was done, and of course it was a pain in the butt, and talking with the irrigation guy and taking really good measurements, we think it's off, so we're going to do some adjusting, probably on the nozzles to figure out, make it exactly what we wanted to. But now I got the rest of this to do. Let's get this knocked out so we can get this water started. Whew. Woo-wee, there I am worn out, and there we have it. Sprinklers are on, not perfect. They're gonna have to come adjust the nozzles. The spacing was not what their computer told them it was. If you didn't know, they make the sprinkler packages based off what the computer says the spacing of the model and all that stuff is. Apparently somebody messed with this one at some point. So they're gonna adjust that tonight, and then they're gonna bring me the proper nozzles tomorrow. But it still should aspirate less water, so have less misting and put a better sheet of water down. So I can stand here and talk all night, or I can shut up, hurry up, and go just switch water before the sun goes down, show you guys what it looks like. So let's hurry up. Now, it is not perfect, but we are definitely aspirating a lot less water, or misting off a lot less water. It literally looks like a rainstorm underneath that pivot. Now, we know the nozzles are off. We're gonna work on that. Eric's gonna get me fixed up and get it corrected, but I am super happy with how the pattern looks so far. If you guys like these kind of videos, want to learn more about organic regenerative farms and ranches, make sure you follow along. God bless. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time on American Beef Ranch.